Hello everybody, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, now about news of dollar Nia Mesh Bull public beta is live. Miners of Dollarnia often abbreviate this as MOD. The 2D mining ocean adventure game has just announced that its public beta is now available on Match. Players can download the game on their Match devices directly from the official website. The MOD team took to Twitter to share the news. Already miners, we are very excited to announce that our must-build public beta is finally available to everyone. The announcement read, Are you reading miners? We are very excited to announce that our must-build public beta is finally available to everyone. Visit our website and download it here. Minor of Dalarnia as minors of Dalarnia August 15, 2022. With this, the Dutch blockchain games will be available on Mac and Windows PC to download a player can head over to the official website and install the beta version. What is Mine of Dalarnia? Mines of Dalarnia in an action-adventure dungeon crawler. Game bases on the Chromia, the coin mass is like the name suggests. The game is all about mining minerals and progressing through the levels. As players mine and collect in-game items, they have to slide master, developed by Warcraft Interactive. The 2D game is a perfect blend of combat, mining, and adventure in an interplanetary environment. The first alpha test was rolled out in 2021 and the dev continue to make steady progress. The DER token is available on several exchanges. Minus of Delonia gameplay, Asmart, a run of Chromia blockchain, the game can collaborate with other games within the Chromia ecosystem. Players on online NFTs and other in-game resources token in the game. As a player here's what you can do it the most universe. Players can either be miners or landowners. The landowners lend their land out to the miners. The miners then indulge in a dungeon side-scrolling game and mine resources. The miners pay a fee to the owners meanwhile to the owners as responsible for managing the land and hosting events. Robot charity bears and FTs assist players by alerting them about space, falls, and crime resources. Both landowners and miners earn their reward for their contribution. Apart from the game, players can socialize with other players at space stations. On the flip side, with too many 3D games coming up, the 2D game might not appeal to gamers who prefer 3D graphics. However, Miners of Dalonia has this Nintendo 64 equal with vibrant visual. Why you so care? Miners of Dalonia has been making steady progress ever since its one announced. The game has a unique concept with a good old dungeon crawler stick trick. With the release of Must-Build, mods can reach wider audiences. You may also like Miners of Narnia look like SteamWorld Dig but not Metroidvania. Well, there are both Miners of Narnia match build public beta is live and is live. Okay, well, this enough from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.